All right, everybody, we're working through the quadratic functions and equations review. This is question 9. It's multiple choice. It says the graph of y equals x squared is translated 4 units to the left. The equation of the transform function is. Now, when you analyze transformations here, translations specifically, when we start to talk about left and right, to be a horizontal translation, I need to be changing what's going on with the x and then square the result. If the transformation happens after squaring, because y is equal to x squared in the original, if the transformation happens after squaring, then it's going to be affecting the graph vertically. It's specifically affecting the y-coordinate. But if it happens prior to the squaring, it's affecting the x-coordinate here. So when I take a look at my options here, I notice in options A and B that the plus 4 minus 4, okay, that is happening outside the function. So those are both vertical. So I come over here and I take a look at my two transformations here. Now these are both horizontal, but the question is which one of them represents 4 to the left. Now the way you understand that is you've got to think about this in terms of what would I be doing if I wanted to isolate x. Okay, so in this question right here, the last thing that I would do would be to subtract 4 from this expression. And there it is right there. Subtract 4 means 4 to the left. Okay, so this one tells me that I move my vertex 4 to the left. Additionally, when you compare this to the vertex form, the operation inside there should be negative p. Okay, and so because it's positive here, what that means is I must be subtracting a negative 4. And once again, that's another way to think about it. That's where my 4 to the left is coming from.